So today I'm going to have a brief unboxing. I'm going to talk about a couple products that I ordered, some things that are coming that I'm pretty excited about. I'll kind of go from there. So I've got a box from the Clean Garage, I've got a box from Rag Company. Rag Company is doing their TRCMA, which is it's like a week-long YouTube webinar thing where they're talking to all these different companies in the industry, and they've got a bunch of sales going on around it. So I picked up a couple different things from the Rag Company. This is one that I'm going to talk about on a completely separate video, but it is a Scangrip, what they call the Essential Kit. So I'm going to do an entirely separate video on that. This box, so that was, I think, day one. They had Scangrip products on sale, so I got 20% off of that. This is what I ordered on day two, which day two was Gyeon or G-Techniq. So I got a sample kit, which looks like it leaked. I got a couple detail factory brushes, a bottle of, what is this? I can't remember now. Oh, bottle of their bug remover. Try that out. A CSL and EXO combo. Because it was on sale. It was a pretty decent sale, so I thought that it would be nice to grab this. This is usually a pretty expensive setup. The CSL and EXO, it's like $150 by itself. Something along those lines. Smart sample kit though. So this is supposed to have a sample size of all of their products, and it looks like something here leaked. So let's see what it was. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bottles. So the one that leaked was this guy, I believe. I think both of these leaked, both of the G-Techniq washes. So let's talk about what's in the box. So the Smart Sample Kit contains G-Wash, which is this, high foaming shampoo, supreme dirt removal, pH neutral. So this would be like a Koshemi GSF. This would be a replacement for GSF potentially. Citrus foam removes road grime easily, non-caustic formula, 100% biodegradable. So this would be like a soap designed to, like a decontamination soap, a soap designed to remove contaminants. This one is Perfect Glass, which is a strong cleaning function crystal clear glass cleaner with an anti-static effect. Citrus all-purpose cleaner, multi-purpose cleaning, removes grime with ease. Iron and general fallout removal, W6. This is W9, which is a water spot removal. I2, which is an interior cleaner, Tri-Clean interior cleaner. It's an antibacterial cleaner. I1, Smart Fabric, protects fabric for up to 12 months. And then this one is QD, which is quick detailer. And then, did I miss one here? Oh. Liquid Crystal is the last bottle. So, unfortunately, Liquid Crystal, spray on ceramic coating, extreme repellent. Okay. So it appears as though they're kind of leaky. So this one's got some liquid up in the top. It came out. Yeah, that's the ceramic coating. This quick detailer has a little bit too in the top. This one does not. So yeah, it looks like, you know, 4 out of the 10 bottles leaked. The whole point of this is the kit's like 20 bucks and it's just a sample of everything, so you can kind of try them all out and see what you like and not have to invest in, you know, and let's say you want to try their soap. Well, you don't want to buy a gallon of soap for 80 bucks if you can try it out. So we'll try these out. We'll see how they are. Maybe some of them end up getting added to my collection. Maybe they don't. But that's the bug remover. I picked one of those up too. And then this one is from the Clean Garage. And this is me, I'm actually just researching for a project that I'm working on. I'll talk about that more in a later video. But I picked up a couple sprayers. These are Mizulax sprayers, or spray bottles. And then I also picked up a Koshemi bottle. I'm going to get what they call a Gold Star sprayer as well, which is the Koshemi sprayer. So this is the mini Viton bottle. So it's an acid resistant bottle. And then this is the just the regular mini 1000 bottle. So the 1000 would signify that it's a 1 liter bottle. So this is the non-acid resistant. This is the acid resistant. So one of each. And I had to get those from Clean Garage because Rag Company doesn't carry them, and Obsessed Garage doesn't. A lot of places don't carry them or didn't have them in stock, and they didn't have the sprayer in stock at Clean Garage, but I believe the Rag Company has it, so I'll get one from them next time I place an order. So I also picked up a small detail factory brush. I use these brushes all the time. Obsessed Garage sells them, but they have them in a bunch of different colors at Rag Company, so I picked up a different color. So that's really it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll have a great day, and maybe you picked up some things at the TRCMA. You can talk about them in the comments below, and let me know if there's something that you want me to try out or that you're thinking I might like.